On February 12, 2025, Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, shared a significant update regarding the upcoming releases of GPT-4.5 and GPT-5 through a series of posts on X, formerly Twitter. This roadmap emphasizes a strategic shift aimed at simplifying OpenAI's product offerings and enhancing the overall user experience. The anticipated updates have generated considerable excitement in the tech community and among OpenAI users. Key updates and features. 1. Release timeline. GPT-4.5, internally codenamed Orion, is expected to launch within weeks, while GPT-5 will follow within a few months. Altman expressed confidence in these timelines, attributing them to the substantial progress made by OpenAI. 2. Model evolution. GPT-4.5 will be the last of OpenAI's non-chain-of-thought models. This transition signifies a shift toward implementing chain-of-thought reasoning in future models, which Altman stated would allow for breaking down complex problems into manageable steps. This capability is expected to enhance the problem-solving prowess of the models. 3. Integration of technologies. GPT-5 is set to be a unified system that integrates various existing technologies, including OpenAI's reasoning model o3 and newly introduced features. This integration aims to create a seamless experience, enabling users to leverage multiple tools without navigating through complicated settings. 4. User access and subscription tiers. OpenAI plans to offer unlimited access to GPT-5 for free-tier users at a standard intelligence setting. Subscribers in the Plus tier will have access to higher intelligence levels, while Pro users will be able to operate the model at even more advanced settings. This structure reflects OpenAI's commitment to making its cutting-edge technology accessible to a wider audience. 5. Simplification of product offerings. Altman acknowledged the complexity of the current user interface, which includes multiple model options and intelligence settings. He expressed a desire to simplify interactions, stating, "We want AI to just work for you." The goal is to eliminate cumbersome model selection processes and provide a more intuitive user experience. Common points across sources. All sources that reported on Altman's announcements confirmed the imminent release of GPT-4.5 and GPT-5, with a shared emphasis on the integration of reasoning capabilities and the creation of a unified system design. The focus on simplifying user interaction and enhancing access to AI technology for both free and paying users was consistently highlighted. Differences between sources. While all sources agreed on the timeline for releases, some provided more detailed insights into the functionalities of GPT-4.5 and GPT-5. For instance, certain reports elaborated on the specific reasoning capabilities of the o3 model, while others concentrated on user experience improvements. Timeline of events. January 31st. 2025, OpenAI released the o3 Mini, a cost-efficient reasoning AI model, marking the beginning of a new era in the integration of reasoning capabilities. February 12, 2025, Altman announced the roadmap for GPT-4.5 and GPT-5, detailing their features and release timelines while addressing user experience concerns. Conclusion. In conclusion, Sam Altman's roadmap signals a transformative phase for OpenAI, with the upcoming releases of GPT-4.5 and GPT-5 promising to enhance technological capabilities while significantly improving user accessibility and satisfaction. The anticipated models are poised to deliver advanced functionalities driven by a commitment to simplify the user experience and make cutting-edge AI technology more approachable for everyone. The developments announced by Altman reflect an ongoing evolution in AI technology, where the focus is not only on advancing model capabilities but also on ensuring that these advancements are user-friendly and accessible. OpenAI's efforts to streamline their offerings and integrate reasoning capabilities are likely to set a new standard in the AI landscape, paving the way for more intuitive interactions with artificial intelligence in the future. 1. Counterintuitive information regarding model complexity and user experience. Sam Altman's statement about wanting AI to just work for users indicates a recognition of the complexities inherent in current AI models and interfaces. This notion is counterintuitive because traditionally advanced AI systems are perceived as requiring a certain level of expertise to navigate effectively. However, Altman's approach suggests that even sophisticated models can be simplified for user-friendliness, challenging the expectation that more advanced technology must inherently be more complex. 2. Transition from non-chain-of-thought models. The upcoming GPT-4.5 being the last non-chain-of-thought model is counterintuitive in the sense that it implies a departure from the established paradigm of AI development. Typically, advancements in AI are assumed to build upon previous models without significant shifts in their foundational reasoning capabilities. By emphasizing chain-of-thought reasoning, OpenAI is suggesting that future iterations will not just improve on existing capabilities but fundamentally change how AI engages with problems, which could redefine user expectations of AI functionality. 3. Free access to advanced features. Altman's announcement that free-tier users will have unlimited access to GPT-5 at a standard intelligence level is counterintuitive, especially in a market increasingly characterized by paywalls and premium features. This approach reflects a departure from typical business models that restrict advanced capabilities to paying users, suggesting a strategic pivot towards democratizing access to AI technology. This could be interpreted as an attempt to build a larger user base that can drive engagement and feedback rather than solely relying on subscription revenue. 4. Simplification of product offerings amid complexity. The intention to simplify OpenAI's product offerings while dealing with increasingly sophisticated technologies presents a paradox. As AI capabilities grow, one might expect the complexity of the products to increase as well. Instead, OpenAI's roadmap indicates a desire to streamline the user experience, which counters the trend seen in many tech companies where more features often lead to more complicated user interfaces. This suggests a potential shift in the industry towards prioritizing user experience over sheer technological capability. 5. Integration of multiple technologies. The integration of various technologies into a unified system within GPT-5 challenges the expectation that users must adapt to different models and interfaces for different tasks. This approach counteracts the common belief that more tools equate to better performance and flexibility. Instead, OpenAI is proposing that a more cohesive system could enhance usability and effectiveness, which may contradict the prevalent notion that specialization different models for different tasks is inherently superior. 6. Acknowledgement of previous model limitations. Altman's candid discussion about the past challenges faced during the development of GPT-5, particularly regarding budget overruns and performance issues, is counterintuitive in a tech landscape often characterized by optimistic projections and polished narratives. This transparency about difficulties suggests a shift toward more honest communication with users and stakeholders about the realities of AI development, which contrasts sharply with the often hyperbolic marketing common in the tech industry. 7. The role of user feedback. The emphasis on user feedback in shaping future AI models is counterintuitive, as it challenges the traditional top-down approach in tech development where companies dictate the features based on internal visions rather than user needs. This pivot toward a user-centered design philosophy implies a recognition that the technology must serve the user effectively to be successful, which is a departure from the historical norm where innovation often precedes understanding of user requirements. These counterintuitive elements in Altman's update highlight a transformative approach in the development and deployment of AI technologies, suggesting a move toward greater accessibility, usability, and user engagement in the field of artificial intelligence. In the recent roadmap update shared by Sam Altman regarding GPT-4.5 and GPT-5, several important aspects have been presented that many might overlook, yet they hold significant implications for the future of AI and user interaction with these models. 1. Transition from non-chain-of-thought to chain-of-thought models. One of the key highlights is that GPT-4.5 will be the last of OpenAI's non-chain-of-thought models. This transition is crucial as it marks a significant evolution in how AI models will process and respond to queries. Chain-of-thought reasoning allows the model to break down complex problems into manageable steps, which not only enhances its problem-solving capabilities but also improves the transparency of the reasoning process. Significance: this shift means that users can expect models to deliver more structured responses, potentially mimicking human-like reasoning. This is particularly important for complex tasks as it can lead to more reliable and accurate outcomes. Additionally, it opens up avenues for applications in fields that require systematic problem-solving, such as education programming and scientific research. 2. Unified system integration. GPT-5 is set to integrate various existing technologies, including OpenAI's reasoning model o3, into a cohesive system. This unification aims to streamline user interactions, allowing users to leverage multiple tools without dealing with complicated settings or model selections. Significance: the consolidation of technology means that users will have a smoother experience when utilizing AI tools. The simplification of product offerings is not only a step towards enhancing user satisfaction but also a strategic move to attract a wider audience who may have been deterred by the complexity of the current system. This can lead to increased adoption and engagement with OpenAI's products. 3. Accessibility across subscription tiers. Altman's announcement that GPT-5 will offer unlimited access to free-tier users at a standard intelligence setting while providing higher intelligence levels to Plus and Pro subscribers is a noteworthy approach to accessibility. Significance: this tiered access model democratizes the use of advanced AI technologies. By allowing free-tier users to experiment with powerful AI capabilities, OpenAI is potentially expanding its user base and fostering innovation among those who may not have the financial means to access premium services. This could lead to a broader range of applications and creative uses for the technology as more individuals and small businesses can experiment with AI without significant barriers. 4. User experience and interface simplification. Altman's emphasis on the desire to simplify user interactions, acknowledging the complexity of the current model picker and product offerings, addresses a critical pain point for users. Significance: a user-friendly interface is vital for maximizing the utility of AI tools. By focusing on making AI just work for users, OpenAI aims to reduce the cognitive load associated with selecting models and settings. This could lead to higher satisfaction rates and more productive usage, as users can focus on outcomes rather than navigating through complex interfaces. 5. Timeline and ambitious goals. The ambitious timeline for the release of GPT-4.5 within weeks and GPT-5 within months indicates a rapid pace of development and deployment. Significance: this urgency reflects OpenAI's commitment to staying ahead in the competitive AI landscape. However, it also raises questions about the development process, potential bugs, and the readiness of the models for widespread use. Users may need to be cautious about the initial iterations of these models, as earlier releases can often exhibit instability or unforeseen issues. 6. Feedback loop and user involvement. The acknowledgement of user frustrations regarding model selection and the desire for a more intuitive experience suggests that OpenAI is listening to its user base. Significance: this responsiveness can build trust and loyalty among users. Moreover, it indicates a shift towards a more collaborative approach in AI development, where user feedback plays a significant role in shaping future iterations of the technology. Engaging users in this way can lead to more relevant features and improvements that directly address user needs. Conclusion: the roadmap update presented by Sam Altman outlines a transformative vision for OpenAI's future models, emphasizing the importance of chain-of-thought reasoning, unified systems, accessibility, and user experience. These elements are not merely technical upgrades, they represent a fundamental shift in how AI will be integrated into daily life and work. The significance lies in the potential for these changes to democratize AI access, enhance usability, and ultimately lead to more effective and human-like interactions with artificial intelligence. As the landscape evolves, it will be crucial for users to stay informed and engaged with these developments, as they will shape the future of AI technology. Here are the 4 most valuable points from the content regarding Sam Altman's OpenAI Roadmap update for GPT-4.5 and GPT-5 for in-depth analysis and discussion. 1. Model evolution and chain-of-thought reasoning. The announcement that GPT-4.5, referred to as Orion, will be the last of OpenAI's non-chain-of-thought models marks a significant evolution in the company's approach to AI. The shift toward implementing chain-of-thought reasoning in future models signifies a deeper understanding of complex problem-solving processes. This transition can enhance the model's capabilities by enabling them to break down intricate problems into manageable steps, thereby improving their performance in tasks that require logical reasoning and sequential thinking. This evolution raises important questions about the implications for AI applications in various fields such as education, research, and industry, where structured problem-solving is essential. 2. Integration of technologies in GPT-5. The expected release of GPT-5 as a unified system integrating various existing technologies, including OpenAI's reasoning model o3, represents a strategic move toward creating a more cohesive user experience. By allowing users to leverage multiple tools without navigating complicated settings, OpenAI is focusing on usability and accessibility. This integration may lead to more efficient workflows for users as they can seamlessly transition between tasks and tools. Analyzing the potential impact of such integrations on user productivity and satisfaction could provide insights into the future of AI user interfaces and interactions. 3. User access and subscription tiers. OpenAI's decision to offer unlimited access to GPT-5 for free tier users at a standard intelligence setting alongside differentiated access for Plus and Pro subscribers highlights the company's commitment to making advanced AI technology more accessible. This tiered access model raises important discussions about the democratization of AI and the ethical considerations surrounding equitable access to powerful AI tools. The implications of this strategy on user engagement, adoption rates, and the overall market landscape for AI technologies are critical areas for further exploration. 4. Simplification of product offerings. Altman's acknowledgement of the complexity in OpenAI's current user interface and the desire to simplify product offerings is a crucial aspect of the roadmap. By aiming for a more intuitive user experience, OpenAI addresses a common pain point among users who struggle with model selection and feature navigation. The emphasis on making AI just work reflects a broader trend in technology towards user-centric design. Analyzing how this simplification could affect user retention, learning curves, and overall satisfaction with AI products can yield valuable insights into consumer technology trends and best practices in product design. Conclusion. Together, these points encapsulate a transformative phase for OpenAI as it navigates the complexities of advancing AI technology while prioritizing user experience and accessibility. Each of these areas presents numerous avenues for in-depth analysis and discussion, particularly concerning the broader implications of AI integration in daily life and various industries. 1. The Manhattan Project 1942–1946. This was a research and development project during World War II that produced the first nuclear weapons. Key figures including J. Robert Oppenheimer and General Leslie Groves worked on this top-secret initiative, which involved the collaboration of scientists, engineers, and military personnel across various laboratories. The project's urgency stemmed from the fear that Nazi Germany would develop nuclear weapons first. The successful detonation of the first atomic bomb in July 1945 marked a significant turning point in warfare and international relations, leading to the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. 2. The Apollo Program 1961–1972. NASA's Apollo program was a series of space missions aimed at landing humans on the Moon and bringing them safely back to Earth. Under the leadership of figures like President John F. Kennedy and NASA Administrator James E. Webb, the program faced numerous challenges, including technical difficulties and budget constraints. The program culminated in the historic Apollo 11 mission in July 1969, when astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the lunar surface. The Apollo program not only achieved its primary goal but also advanced technology and knowledge in space exploration, influencing future missions. 3. The development of the Internet. 1960s to 1990s. The creation of the Internet was a complex and multifaceted process involving numerous researchers and organizations. Key milestones included the development of ARPANET in the late 1960s, which was funded by the U.S. Department of Defense, and the introduction of protocols like TCP/IP in the 1970s by Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn. The transition from a military communication network to a public resource occurred in the 1990s, leading to the commercialization of the Internet and the birth of the World Wide Web by Tim Berners-Lee. This evolution transformed global communication, commerce, and information sharing, fundamentally changing society. Future outlook, predictions for GPT-4.5 and GPT-5 developments. As OpenAI gears up for the release of GPT-4.5 and GPT-5, the implications for various sectors and the future of AI are significant. Based on Sam Altman's recent updates and broader trends in artificial intelligence, we can outline several key predictions regarding the future trajectory of these models and their impact on technology and society. 1. Enhanced problem-solving capabilities. The transition from GPT-4.5 to GPT-5 marks a pivotal moment in AI evolution, particularly with the introduction of chain-of-thought reasoning. This capability will allow the models to break down complex problems into manageable steps, improving their utility in fields such as education, healthcare, and research. For instance, in STEM education, students could receive tailored guidance on problem solving, enhancing their understanding of difficult concepts. The ability to deconstruct problems is likely to lead to more accurate and contextually relevant responses, which could revolutionize tutoring and personalized learning experiences. 2. Seamless user experience. Altman's emphasis on simplifying user interactions signals a future where AI tools become more intuitive and user-friendly. The impending integration of various models into a unified system suggests a move toward a more cohesive user interface. This could democratize access to advanced AI technologies, allowing users of varying technical backgrounds to leverage AI without navigating complex settings. This simplification may lead to increased adoption among businesses and individuals who previously found AI tools daunting. 3. Growing accessibility and inclusivity. OpenAI's plan to offer unlimited access to GPT-5 for free-tier users indicates a strategic shift toward making AI more accessible to a broader audience. By providing advanced AI capabilities to users without financial barriers, OpenAI could play a crucial role in bridging the digital divide. This increased accessibility may empower underrepresented communities, educators, and small businesses, fostering innovation and leveling the playing field in various sectors. 4. Integration with other technologies. The roadmap for GPT-5 highlights its role as a unified system that integrates existing technologies, including OpenAI's reasoning model o3. This integration could lead to the development of multifaceted applications that combine reasoning, data analysis, and content generation. For instance, businesses might utilize GPT-5 to automate complex reporting tasks, analyze market trends, or generate customer insights, resulting in enhanced operational efficiency. 5. Evolving subscription models. The differentiation in subscription tiers for GPT-5 suggests a future where AI services are tailored to meet diverse user needs. As AI becomes more embedded in everyday tasks, companies may adopt hybrid models that blend free and paid tiers, allowing users to choose the level of service that best fits their requirements. This could lead to a more competitive landscape in AI services, with various providers vying for user engagement through innovative offerings. 6. Ethical considerations and responsible AI. As the capabilities of AI models expand, so too will the discussions surrounding ethical considerations and responsible AI use. OpenAI's commitment to accessibility and user experience will need to be balanced with concerns about misuse bias and data privacy. The implementation of abuse thresholds for free users indicates a proactive approach to mitigate potential risks. Moving forward, ongoing dialogues about AI ethics will be crucial in ensuring that advancements are aligned with societal values and norms. 7. Impact on work and employment. The enhanced capabilities of GPT-5 may disrupt traditional job roles, particularly in fields that rely heavily on information processing and analysis. While this could lead to increased efficiency and productivity, it may also necessitate a re-evaluation of workforce skills. As organizations adopt AI tools, there will be a growing demand for employees who can collaborate effectively with AI systems and leverage their capabilities creatively. Future workforce training programs are likely to emphasize digital literacy, critical thinking, and adaptability. 8. Continued innovation in AI research. The development of GPT-5 as a more advanced model is expected to push the boundaries of AI research. As OpenAI continues to refine its technologies, we can anticipate breakthroughs in natural language processing, reasoning abilities, and even multimodal capabilities that combine text, images, and possibly audio. Such innovations could lead to entirely new applications and industries centered around AI, ranging from creative fields to scientific research. Conclusion. The roadmap updates for GPT-4.5 and GPT-5 reflect a transformative phase for OpenAI and the broader AI landscape. As these models are set to enhance problem-solving capabilities, simplify user experiences, and increase accessibility, they will likely play a significant role in shaping the future of technology and society. The balance between innovation and ethical considerations will be critical as we navigate this new era of artificial intelligence.